Hi, I'm Bill Blake at Veurink's RV Center, and today I have the pleasure of introducing this 256 RKT. It's a 2020 model year. It's made by Durango. Let's start here in the rear kitchen. It's one of my favorite floor plans because of this. It does have a lot of counter space, as you can see there. Tons and tons. You'll see the full extension drawer glides with the drawers there. Incredible amount of storage. Going up to there you have the microwave with even more storage here. I'll open those drawers up there so you can see that. And then scrolling over to the right there, you'll have the full-size 8 cubic foot refrigerator that is gas and electric. And just to the right of that is a full pantry with your own shelves there. So now going into the dining room area, a couple things. We've ordered this with the 4 table and chairs. So you'll have some storage underneath there. A lot of my customers like to put games and cards underneath there. It does have a table extension as well, so that extends out. And you do have even more storage underneath the seats. So very, very convenient there. Going into the living room area now, you'll have the theater seating. That's in the Thomas Paine collection, so it's very, very high end. Those seats they massage, they actually heat up, and they do light up. So good cup holder storage there for your drinks as well. Going over here, you do have a hideaway bed. So that's the tri-fold sofa that actually folds out. It's a very comfortable night's sleep. Above that, you've even got more storage. I love how they actually add the shelves and everything right there for you. So everything's convenient. You really don't have to do anything after purchasing and owning this trailer. Scrolling over to the entertainment center now. Unbelievable amount of storage. I'm going to open these so the camera can catch that as well. And then you've got the TV that actually can twist. So if you want to watch it on the sofa, no problem. Or right from the theater seating, as we mentioned before. Below that, you've got a fireplace that does actually heat up. It's not just for looks, but it does function as well. And then over to the right here, you've even got more storage. So you can use that for pots and pans in the kitchen area, or even if you wanted to add more blankets or anything like that, that's fine there as well. Now going into the bathroom area, you'll see the extra tall toilet right there with a foot flush, which is nice. And then you're going to go into the shower area. You'll notice that it's all tub surround. There's no chance of any water leakage or anything right there. More towel storage right there for linens right there. And then you've got a vanity right there that opens up. Below that, there's a sink. And of course, you got 3 drawers and more storage underneath there, underneath the sink. Going into the bedroom now, you'll have a window on the side for ventilation. Notice up front by the bed, you'll have each electrical cord or electrical outlets. Good storage above that. And even more storage to the left and right of the beds. The bed is a full-size residential queen, and it does lift up for more storage there as well. That's the slide-out part right there as far as the closet area. So you have a full closet in the bedroom. Now we're on the outside of the 256, and let me tell you why I love this camper. Outside, full-size outside kitchen in a couple's coach, which is pretty rare. So you'll have a refrigerator, you've got the actual pull-out grill right here, and even an outside shower hookup right there for your faucet. Good storage above all that. Absolutely love that feature of this. Now going from the outside kitchen, you'll see I love bringing my pets on when I camp. They even give you a little dog leash right there. That is so cool. 2-year warranty, don't forget that with all Durango products. And then, of course, the fold-away steps, which is really easy to use. They just throw up like this. Real light. No fuss, no mess there. So, and then over here, you've got full basement storage. You can put a lot of good stuff there. You notice how neat and clean and finished it off it is. That's really nice. Of course, all the compartment doors are actually magnet, which is super nice. Now, I've got, of course, the electric awning out. You can see that as well. So, guys, that was just a little hint of what this 256 offers. I would love to show you around more. If you want to visit us at Veurink'sRVCenter.com, I'll have more pictures and videos there.